Well, still nothing. That's a way to hee-haw. This is why I like to call it my baggy water, because I never catch none at this shite hole. Never. But what can you do but try ya? What they like to say. The guy in the bottom there has caught these certain fish. He's only second one there. Alright, he lost it. He's just a bit slow. Well, still nothing, guys. That's a hee-haw. Alright, this is why I like to call it my baggy water. Well, still nothing yet, guys. I tried a fake wash club, the pink power bit, to see if that helped. If that doesn't help, then this water hates me. That's what it comes down to. I like to say my baggy water is like chocolate bun. That's where no spots now and that. But see what we can do. But anything happens, I'll get back to you guys. Feel free to hit that subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. Hit that like button. Share the videos to your friends and that if you like to. Leave a comment and that. I really appreciate it. And just but I'll get back to you soon, everyone. Right, feel free to hit that subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell for all notifications. Share if you like to share my videos. Uh, but it's been getting a bit shite at the same time. This is my way I like to go. This is my baggy water. Because you'll be lucky if I maybe caught maybe 3 or 4 fish out of here. The whole length of the time I've been coming. But what they're saying is you have to keep on trying. Cross fingers, guys. Cross your fingers for me. Cross your fingers and taste for me. Mars bar. Mars bar. I'm gonna have. Caramel goodness. Right, Mars bars has got glucose in everything. Mars bars is actually good for bodybuilders and who likes to do the weights and that. Mars bars has got glucose and everything in it. Well, I got sweat. See, I actually got sweat.
Fuck the end of my video.
Yeah?
Fuck the end of my video. I stuttered a bit then.
Sorry about the swearing there, guys. But I can how frustrating that can be. We've all been there. You're probably just see my foot hobbling a bit at the top. Quite, you probably see that fish jumping at the other side of the bank, and I caught on camera. But I'll get back to you soon, everyone. Nah, this is my baggy water. Trying to catch fucking hee-haw in this water for some reason. It doesn't like me. this water doesn't like me for some reason. But feel free to prescribe the like the thumb. Feel free to share the videos that uh, that for two catch salmon. I'll get back to you. I remember my standing part back this time. I remember this chappie because the last time I forgot it and the phone died on me. So I remember this time. So that I didn't make that mistake again. Still not yet, guys. My new spots again. Because they've got the wheel going for to get you the fish up soon. And it's a pain in the back end when they put it on. So we move back up to the top again. Well, to the next time, guys, keep on fishing and be safe. Feel free to hit subscribe, hit notification, hit the bell. Feel free to share, and we welcome it. But till the next time, keep on fishing and be safe.